Hi boys and girls, I'm so happy to be with you again. I hope you're enjoying our time together. We're going to work on number talks number 6. Now you'll recall a couple of weeks ago we were working on finding missing numbers. Sometimes the number was at the beginning of a math problem, sometimes it was in the middle, and sometimes it was at the end. So our number talks today is really a review of 2 weeks ago math. So if you'll notice, I have a paper here. It says, what's the missing part? In other words, I'm trying to find the missing number. And if you'll notice, I've got a chart that looks a little different. I've got 7 here, which is my total. So I know I have 7 in all, and I have 4, and I have another number that's blank. So what that means is I've got something plus 4 equals 7. So we could put it like this, something plus 4, and my total is 7, because that covers all of that area. So I need to figure out what is that number, and some of you already have it memorized. But remember, there's lots of ways you can do this, but the way I like for you to try to do it is to do it in your head. You could hold 4 in your head, 4, 4, 4. And what comes after 4? 5, 6, 7. So how many numbers did I add to 4 to get to 7? I added 3. So 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if that equals 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I got that one right. Good job. Give yourself a hand. So here's another one, similar to what we just had, but you know how sometimes they'll put the total at the beginning with the equals? And we know they're just trying to trick us, but you can still find the answer. Here, the missing part, you have 11 total. So let's go ahead and do that at the beginning. 11 equals 9 plus something. I don't know what that something is just yet. So 11 in all, 11 is equal to 9 plus blank. Take your small number and hold it in your head. 9, 9, 9, 9. What comes after 9? 10, 11. So what did I add to 9 to get to 11? That's right, I added 2. Give yourself another hand. So our numbers are getting bigger, but you're so smart. You're just a genius. Remember, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy, because you are just super amazing. So there's lots of ways you can look at that. We could do like we did before and put the total at the first. 17 equals blank plus 8. That's one way you can do it. Or you could say blank plus 8 equals 17. It's all the same thing. Remember, you can move your numbers around when you're doing addition and still get the same answer, the commutative property. So let's hold 8 in our head. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. And let's see what comes after 8. Let's see if we have enough fingers for this. What comes after 8? We're going to stop at 17. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So let's look. 8 plus what is 17? 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 17 is equal to 9 plus 8. Now, we can look at it another way and still get the same answer. What number can I add to 8 and get 17? If you'll notice up there, I got 9. You're doing the same thing, holding 8 in your head. 8, 8, 8. What comes after 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You see, I still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. So I took the commutative property and I moved it around, but I still get the same answer. Here's another one for our number talks, number 6. If I have 15 in all, I want to know what 2 numbers that I can add up that make 15. Here I have blank plus 8 is 15. Now, I know some of you aren't comfortable with counting forward as well. You could always draw circles. You could draw 15 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you could mark out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can count what's left and see what number I get. Blank plus 8 equals 15. Let's see what I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. I should have been writing those over there. I apologize. If you were here with me, you would be like, Miss Lanier, how about you write it over there? All right, let's do another one. So here, our missing part, or our missing number, is the total. So it would be like this: 7 plus 9 equals blank. I want to know the big total there. So you could hold it in your head. You could draw 7 circles and 9 more. You could use a chart, but let's hold the 7 in our head. 7, 7, 7. You could hold the 9 in your head, either way. 7, 7, 7. Ready? What comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now why did I stop at 16? Because I was adding 9 to 7, and that's 9 fingers. So, oh, what if you've forgotten what the answer is? Hold it in your head again. 7, 7, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 7 plus 9 is 16. You could draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And add up and see if you get 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is right. I double checked it. Let's do another one. Here, my totals are getting bigger here. I have 20 in all. 20. And if I have 9 and another number, that's going to add up to 20. And I have to figure out what that missing number is. 9 plus blank equals 20. So let me move that over. 9 plus something equals 20. That's my total there. Oh, that looks like a 6. Let me fix that. 9 plus blank equals 20. You could draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then what comes after 9? And we're going to stop at 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now notice, I don't count ahead of myself. As I'm drawing a circle, I count. So let's see what 9 plus blank is. Let's see what our missing number is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 11 is 20. Let's do a couple more. So if you'll notice, I pulled out our 120 chart on this because I know a lot of you use lots of different strategies, like we talk about, counting forward, drawing circles, and using our chart, using all kinds of manipulatives. That's okay. Whatever phase you're in of your learning, I want you to be more comfortable. So here, our numbers are getting even larger. If I have 32 in all, I want to know if I have 19 plus blank is going to equal 32. I need to know what number I can add to 19 to make 32. So here, you could touch 19. And remember, we're going to stop at 32. But as we move, we're going to count. Every time we move, it's going to be like 1, 2. So we touch 19. Remember, we don't say 1 here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now I'm going to write 13 there. Not very neat, is it? But let's double check, because I can mess up. You could mess up. We all make mistakes. Let's touch 19, and we're going to count each time we move, and we'll stop at 32. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 19 plus 13 equals 32. Let's do another one. So our numbers are getting even larger, but this is our last one. You're so smart, you won't have any trouble with it. We're going to use our chart for this, or you could count forward. I'll show you both ways. If I have 49 and I want to add something to it, it's going to equal 56. So I want to know what number can I add to 49 to make 56. You could use your top chart, touch 49, and we'll stop over here at 56. But remember, every time you move, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I believe 49 plus 7 is 56, but let's double check. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. Now those of you that like to count forward, you could hold 49 in your head. 49, 49, 49. What comes after 49? 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. See, look, I got 7. I got the missing number doing it mentally. I don't think you'd want to draw circles on that. You don't want to draw 49 circles and then how many circles comes after that. It would just take too long and you would get off track easily. Hope you enjoyed our number talks number 6.